Hi everyone, welcome. This is Dalis for Catscrappiness, and I am here with Lola's birthday hooray. I know we are doing just a bunch of birthday cards to celebrate Cat's birthday this month. This is Cat's birthday month. So here is Lola in all her beauty, and let's hang out. So let's put this card together and let me know if you have any questions. All products can be found at Catscrappiness, so just check them out. I will leave them in the description and as the product tags here in YouTube. I will leave my affiliate links. Also, in case you are interested in grabbing any of these products, you can use my affiliate link. Again, if you have any questions, just let us know. Let's get started. We are going to start our card by creating a mask for Lola. I already stamped Lola in a watercolor paper, so that is drying on the back. And then I am using contact paper or lining, like shelf liner paper to make my mask. This makes up for a really strong mask and that you can use over and over and over. So I do love that. And I'm just gonna cut it all around. When you're cutting masks, you make sure that you want to either cut on the straight in the middle, more or less, of the line or on the inside of the line, never on the outside of the line, because that creates a halo and that will give you the best mask to use and create. I am going to be using the square rope craft dies from Catscrappiness and the cute Let's Hang Out sentiment that is part of the set from the stamp set from Lola. I love her. Isn't she just the cutest? She reminds me of that baby toy, that squeaky baby toy that was very like everybody wanted one a few years back. I am putting a little bit of water because my ink hasn't dried yet and I don't want to move it and get fingerprints on my watercolor paper, but you could just let it dry if you wanted to. Do not heat set it because that will melt the plastic and then you have to do it all over again. Okay, so let's get it together. And here we are putting down it. I am making sure that I am doing some nice pressure in there just to get it going. Now I am bringing some blue inks in here. This is like a nice teal, and this teal is just gonna look beautiful with the rest of the colors that I am planning on using for this cute card of Lola's birthday. So I just love this color. Now, again, you could use any of the brushes that you have. Sorry about the shaking. I was vigorously shaking this. Now we peel the mask. It's coming. There it is. And there it is. This is our cute little Lola. Look at her. How precious is she? Like, isn't she the cutest thing? No halos. It is beautifully masked. I am removing the extra ink in there and I'm saving that mask because it's perfect. Now, this is the Crafty Quokka paper pack and I really love the colors in this. And because it's a mix of like pastel colors with really bright cherry colors. So I love that. And we're going to be using the confetti one. Here is the die cuts. This is the rope, the square rope nested. And we are going to cut that out of the Crafty Quokka paper. And we inked it with the same ink, and there it is. Oh, it's so cute. Like, I love that. Now, this stamp set has a couple of butterflies, a little bit of like grass. We could have stamped the grass. I completely forgot to stamp the grass. I am just going to do some blending of yellow ink all around it and then stamp some butterflies. And I'm going to put a little bit of music and let you enjoy the rest of this card. We are coming now with the little butterflies to stamp these, and I just love this coral color. It just matches really nicely the cat scrappiness enamel dots that I am using. Just love them so much. And I am gonna bring up some watercolor pencils to color these out. And the reason I left the middle just not color is because we're going to cover that with the square, the rope square that we did die cut. So if you have any questions, yes, we did second and third generation. That means that I stamped it once and then I stamped it 2 and 3 times just to get different variations in color. And I truly do love the look of this. If you have any questions regarding this card or the products that I am using, please make sure that you leave us a comment here in our Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel, and we will let you know. All products again are from Cat Scrappiness. They are linked, and I love this. And I just wanted to make sure that we wish as a team member of Cat Scrappiness to Cat happy birthday month, girl. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to be part of this fabulous team and to be able to support you and have so much fun with your products. I just can't. I love it. I love Lola. Lola is the cutest. Seriously. So Lola is a 3x4 stamp, so she is a really economical stamp. So I really hope that you check it out and let us know. If you do get Lola and you make a card with Lola, we would love to see it. So make sure that you link us to your social and the card that you make. We would love to go and check it out. If you have any questions, again, let us know in the comments. If you enjoy the way I present the information, I really hope you do. I really hope that you come and join me at my channel, Stamper Girl, and at the socials. I just love creating stuff and I love sharing stuff with you. So I will leave the link right here to my channel. And thank you so much. And remember, don't leave your crafting chore tomorrow. Start today. I'm going to put some music and see you in the next video. Bye.